My name is Dr. Peter Kics. I'm from the Chicago area. I grew up in a town called Hillside. I went to my undergrad at University of Illinois in Champaign, and I did my dental training at Northwestern University in downtown Chicago. So we moved from a 4-operatory practice to our current facility. We are plumbed and built out for 20 operatories. We started out with 10. At this point right now, in 2020, we've added 5 more chairs, and hopefully in early 2023, we'll finish out and add our last 5 chairs to be at our full capacity. We were able to not just design and build a building, but we were able to equip it in the most optimal way. And from the very beginning, the blocking diagram, the inception of the idea, to the completion, to even training our staff when we finally moved in about how to really use our new space and how to really, integrate the systems that they helped develop. They were just with me every step of the way. And at this point right now, it was scary at first, but it was the best decision I ever made, and I'm just grateful that, our relationship, that we were able to be together. I am such a big believer in their philosophy and the research that they've done and the support that they have every single step of the way. They really helped me not just realize what I wanted my vision to be, but they really helped me achieve it. And again, they were with me every single step of the way. And it's something that I didn't believe was possible 5 years ago is now essentially a dream come true.